is Raman amplifier. Raman amplifier. So in Raman amplifier also it will use it also use the pump signal at any wavelength as EDF. EDF also use the wavelength pump signal at any wavelength. This also in Raman amplifier also use the pump signal at any wavelength. Use pump signal at any wavelength. So only difference between EDFA and Raman amplifier means in EDFA C band and L band only used. But in Raman amplifier S band also used. S band also used, which has the length of less than 1500 nanometer. Okay, in Raman amplifier also use the pump signal at any wavelength as EDFA, but the only difference between EDFA and Raman amplifier means in EDFA only C band and L band is used, but in Raman amplifier S band also used, which is at the range of below 1530 nanometer. And in this Raman amplifier will provide input signal spontaneously and will result in varying gain. So crosstalk may occur, but in EDFA there is no crosstalk while amplifying. So it is important to keep the pump signal as the constant pump in this Raman amplifier. That is, in Raman amplifier it will provide varying gain. Varying gain will be provided, so crosstalk may occur. So it is important to keep pump signal as the constant pump. But in EDFA there is no crosstalk. These are the differences between Raman amplifier and EDFA. No crosstalk. Okay, that is Raman amplifier will provide varying gain due to input signal will provide spontaneously. For that reason varying gain will be provided, so the crosstalk may occur while amplifying. But in EDFA there is no crosstalk while amplifying. So in Raman amplifier it is important to keep the pump signal as the constant pump. So next we are going to discuss in Raman amplifier we are considering two signals at same direction and opposite direction. First we are going to discuss about considering two signals, that is input signal and pump signal at same direction and same velocity. Okay. Consideration. All these are consideration in Raman amplifier. Consideration means first consideration two signals, that is input signal and pump signal at same direction and same velocity. Okay, this is the first consideration. Now second consideration, two signals, that also two signals, input signal and pump signal at different direction. Okay, in Raman amplifier we are considerations, two considerations. First consideration is two signals we are using, input signal and pump signal at same direction and same velocity. At same direction, same velocity means the pump, that consider in this condition. First, if pump signal high means input signal low means it will provide high gain. Sorry, output signal low means it will provide high gain. And second, here also two conditions. This is considerations. This is conditions. If pump signal low, output signal high means it will provide low gain. Okay. First consideration, two signals, input signal and pump signal are same direction and same velocity. Okay, here two conditions will be happen. If pump signal high and output signal low means high gain, it will provide high gain, and if the pump signal low and output signal high means it will provide low gain. Next consideration means two signals also consider, input signal and pump signal at different direction. First is same direction, next one is different direction. In different directions also two conditions. That is, if pump signal overlaps input signal at low power state, high power state means high gain. High power state means it provide high gain, and pump signal overlaps input signal at low power stage means low gain. It will provide low gain. It will provide low gain. Okay, these are the considerations about Raman amplifier. In Raman amplifier, two considerations. First consideration means two signals, that is input signal and pump signal. These are the considerations at same direction and same velocity. First consideration. There are two conditions. If pump signal high and output signal low means it will provide high gain. If pump signal low and output signal high means it will provide low gain. And next consideration in Raman amplifier means different direction. First same direction, next different direction, input signal and pump signal. Here also two conditions. If the pump signal overlaps the input signal at high power state means it will provide high gain, and if the pump signal overlaps the input signal at low power state means it will provide low gain. These are about Raman amplifier. In Raman amplifier, simply we can say means EDFA has S-band and C-band and L-band. In Raman amplifier, S-band also used. Here crosstalk may occur, so varying gain may occur, so pump signal should be constant. And here two considerations. These are about Raman amplifier. Next we are going to discuss the third type of optical amplifier, that is semiconductor optical amplifier. Third type of optical amplifier. Third type of optical amplifier, that is semiconductor optical amplifier.